Hi, welcome back to the channel. Finally time for a new video. I've actually been doing some bike riding the last couple of months, but I've been too lazy to bring the camera along and just focused on enjoying the ride. But a couple of days I ordered a rally tower for my xt660 and I thought I would document just when I get this fitted to the bike. So now the bike without a rally tower, but shortly it will have one. And basically the why I wanted to install this was because I wanted to improve the looks of the bike. I don't like the aftermarket screen that I have mounted on the bike currently, and also since the angle on this makes it hard actually to mount any GPS or phone devices in a good way, and because I wanted to bring them up further up so you can view them while still keeping your eyes on the road. So a couple of reasons. So stay tuned if you're interested in this. Yeah, I guess I should show you the rally tower as well, so you see what I'm installing. And I'm going full LED here, so it will definitely give the bike a more modern look and a little bit cooler, I think. So here it is. And I think it's a well built tower. You can see I got it powder coated black as well. Will be a bit more discreet than just having the aluminium. And yeah, plenty of space to kind of get the GPS and phone mounts on there. So it will be really cool, I think. Back again the day after I started mounting my rally tower, and yeah, I was frustrated yesterday. I had some troubles finding out how it was going to be fixed to the bike, and in the end I was very tired as well. It's a working day, so not really full of energy, but anyhow, what I did yesterday was that I actually managed to figure out how it was supposed to be assembled, because there was no mounting instruction with this rally tower, so you can kind of had to figure it out by yourself. But now it is in place, and actually in order to get it in place I had to remove all these plastics and the front fender, and then so the rally tower is actually screwed from underneath with the same screws that fix the fender and the plastic covers here. And but the rest was quite simple, and the lights work and everything, so that's good. But now I have to fix the indicators, and also I need to, there were some screws that I didn't manage to fit yesterday in the holes, because I guess it's slightly crooked, everything. So I'll fix that now and then I'll be done. So hopefully it won't be hours of fixing here tonight. So now tower is fully done, everything is functioning. I even had time to install Garmin navigation and plugged it to the battery of the bike, so now I have electricity here, which is good. And just show you. So there now is the Garmin unit. Unfortunately, it seems like it's on electricity as soon as I plug it in, which means I will make the battery flat if I forget to take this unit away. But except from that, everything is fine. And I even had time to put some stickers on the actual rally fairing.